Good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. Yeah man, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and put on the post notification whenever time you subscribe. Yeah, put on the touch the bell that says all. So whenever time I post a video, you'll be first to be notified. Share this video with a friend and a family. Yes, and give me a thumbs up when you watch the video, please. Yeah? So today what I'll be doing, I'll be making a strong back drink for all the men who are having problems in the bedroom. Yes, this drink is for you. And tell me what you think when you drink this juice and when you make it. You know, if you're having problem, this juice, this drink will boost your sexual drive. Yeah, not for teenagers or underage. Yeah, so I'm gonna go through with you and show you the ingredients that I'll be using, and go ahead and make this nice, delicious drink for you. And it has a lot of health benefits also. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. So over here, guys, this is my ingredients that I'll be using. Yeah, I'm using some Irish moss. Yeah, and we all know that Irish moss is good for you, good for your skin also, and lots of health benefits. Yeah, we're gonna be using some peanut punch, and we're gonna be using some supplement. I'm using all these products, Jamaican products. Yeah, so and I'll be using also some oats, which is full of fiber and those are the benefits. You research, guys. I'll be using some raw peanut. I'll be using it in the shell because it's packed with health benefits and so much goodness in there. And I'll be using some ripe bananas. Yeah, the ripe banana gives you a lot of energy and it just keeps you going. And here we have some almond nuts. And if you don't know, guys, just in case you don't know, do your research. This is called the fertility food, and it's not only just good for men, it's also good for women also. Over here we got some pumpkin seeds, also boost your blood flow and I don't want to say the word because I can't call it. Yeah, so it's just packed with pure goodness and health benefits, this drink. Yeah, so all the men who find themselves not functioning properly in the bedroom, this drink is for you. You can go ahead and try it out. Yeah, and I'll be just boosting it up with some liquor in it. You don't have to use these, it's just to enhance, I'm not gonna tell you wine, it's just pure fruits and things inside of that. All rum cream. This is the boss. Yeah, it's called Campari. It's an Italian drink. This is all just herbs and fruits and spices. Yeah. So this is also good for your immune system also. Yeah. So this is just ice. We're just gonna use it to blend the drink in it. You don't have to. You can use it. You can do it as it is. But don't forget, guys, this drink is for the men. And women can drink it also to boost your sex drive. If you find that your hydraulics are not functioning as they should function, this drink is for you. This is pure goodness. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and put this together and let you guys see. Okay. So stay tuned, guys. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour my supplement. Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my pumpkin seed. We're just gonna add all the ingredients there now. Oats, peanut. I'm just gonna add the banana. You can add one banana, you don't have to add two. Yeah. The banana will just sweeten it a bit. I'm not gonna add any condensed milk or anything in there. Yeah. I think I'll be adding 2 bananas because I just got them not doing anything. Yeah. And I'm just gonna add my Irish mass to it. It would be good if you have the natural one that you make yourself. So how thick that is. And this one is called Strongback, otherwise Strongback. Yeah. Lovely. Put that aside. So we're just gonna add all the ingredients to it and just blend in one go. I'm gonna add some peanut punch. So I'll be going ahead and add my Campari. Yeah, I don't measure, I just pour a little bit. Use your discretion. Yeah, that's around 1 cork full. Yeah. You don't want to pour too much liquor in that. And I'll be adding some Magnum tonic wine. Yeah. And a bit of rum cream. There you go. Oh, let me go and get some vanilla and some nutmeg and some spice to add in this. I'll come back and show you. This is called my spice box. You know, if you haven't got one of these boxes in your home, you know, well, you're not a real chef, man. This is my spice box. All my spices in there. So I'm gonna go ahead now and add grate some nutmeg inside of that. A bit of mixed spice. That's a tip, not to overpower it. And a bit of cinnamon. And if you don't know, guys, all these ingredients that I'm using, they're just natural ingredients. And you know, as it says, the health benefits is amazing. And guys, if you're looking to add a bit of flavor in your bedroom, you find that the hydraulics are not functioning right, this is a drink for you. Yeah? I'm just gonna go ahead, guys, and add just a little pinch of salt, a little bit of mineral, just a little pinch of salt into that. Yeah. And then I'll be adding, tell you what, I'll blend it first and then I'll add the ice after. Yeah? So just give it a nice. Yes guys, so this is it. I've finished blending up my strong box. So this is, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it out. So thick that is. So this is it. My strong box drink. All the men who are having problems in the bedroom, not functioning properly, hydraulics not working. Go ahead and taste it. Let me go and get a straw. Moment of truth. Guys, guys. So this is nice. I just want to drink it all off. Let's fill this up again. That's it, guys. My strong back, aka front end lifter, hydraulic lifter. So this is it. I'm gonna. Yes, guys. So this is it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, to this strong back drink. Yeah, man. Who can inspire in and out the kitchen. Yeah, man. Let's have a yourself until next time.